Pangutana sir ba, unsa ka ng main purpose aning event today sir?
Yes, actually, no, this is part of the programs of PhilHealth, itong media forum natin. Kasi kinakandak natin to annually. No? So ngayon, since we are conducting it annually and may bagong programs tayo sa PhilHealth, so ang ginawa namin, we make it dynamic. We incorporated some programs of PhilHealth aside from media forum. So ngayon, itong kinakandak natin ng media forum, may konsulta registration na rin siya at saka konsulta first patient encounter. Ano po ito? Ito po kasi yung bagong programa ng PhilHealth, itong PhilHealth Consulta. This PhilHealth Consulta is not only ito yung benefits ng PhilHealth na ma-avail mo pag nasa hospital ka. Itong PhilHealth Consulta is a preventive measure ng PhilHealth, no? So kung kahit hindi ka nagkasakit, if you want to go to a hospital or RH or PhilHealth consulta provider, you may request for a consulta benefit. So dito po sa media forum natin, ang inuuna po kasi natin kasi we are advocating the new programs of PhilHealth, that is the PhilHealth Consulta, and we are asking for the help of our media partners. So before we can really disseminate the information regarding PhilHealth Consulta, we would like our media partners to experience what is PhilHealth Consulta, so that when disseminating this kind of information, they have the first-hand experience of what is PhilHealth Consulta. So mas mapapadali po yung pag-disseminate natin para malaman po ng ibang stakeholders kung ano po talaga itong program ng PhilHealth. It is the PhilHealth Consulta po.
Okay po sir. So next sir, what challenges do you foresee sir in implementing the agreement and the memorandum of understanding sir?
Actually, the first that we have what we call identify, no, because in PhilHealth, although we do so much in our capacity to disseminate the information, but again, there are also stakeholders that are outside or within the far-flung areas. Thus, the help of the media partners are really great, no, for us to disseminate the information, because what is a benefit if there are stakeholders will not be able to understand what these kind of benefits are. So yun yung nakikita namin na solution to bridge the gap between the information gap regarding the programs and the knowledge of our PhilHealth members to ano po yung maaabay niya. So with the help of this memorandum of agreement, we can intensify the information dissemination within the region, and so that the stakeholders also can know what are their benefits that they could avail on PhilHealth po.
Sir, you're mentioning po the services and benefits po.
Yeah.
What are those po pala, sir?
Yeah, actually, marami po tayong PhilHealth benefits. No, if you, it is many to mention, but we would like to encourage everyone. If you have time, you can search it in our website. That is www.philhealth.gov.ph. All our benefits are listed there. The case rate benefits, but the most important highlight of this media forum is the PhilHealth Consulta. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Itong PhilHealth Consulta is a preventive measure. We do not wait for us to get sick before we can avail PhilHealth. So before anything else, annually you can go to an accredited PhilHealth provider and they can give you the services. Their services, and it is already PhilHealth accredited services. So yung PhilHealth po na coverage is maaabot nyo na po kahit wala po kayong sakit. This is a measure for us not to go ibig sabihin, hindi na tayo magiging malala sa ating sakit. So we can prevent it from occurring, itong mga illnesses na ating mga piniprevent po.
In addition, sir, no, how will this memorandum of understanding, sir, signing with PIA Region 11 benefit the media sector and the public, sir?
Yes, this memorandum of agreement will benefit every media, the media sector, especially in the Region Office 11, because in this memorandum of agreement, we will give a timely report to our media partners. So, pag may mga bagong programs, there are other mga benefits na ipapalabas ng PhilHealth, it would be the media partners or our media partners in the Regional Office who would immediately know of these particular programs, so that it will be immediately disseminated to our stakeholders po.
Sir, I would just like to ask, what will be, of course, for the future in the coming years that PhilHealth will continue to serve for our fellow Filipinos to provide, of course, the healthcare that needs?
Yeah, actually, when it comes to PhilHealth, we are very dynamic because again, the health sector, yung pabago-bago po kasi yung mga illnesses natin na may iba, ganito, tapos nag-i-improve tayo. So, the stakeholders can expect from us that we will improve the delivery of service. And as mentioned by our current PCEO, no, Sir Edwin Mercado, that we will intensify the delivery of service or the delivery of financial healthcare benefit to our stakeholders, especially in increasing the benefits para mas mabibigay po natin as ma-deliver po natin yung health services na kinakailangan po ng ating mga miyembro.
Sir, so yung sa konsulta package, paano yung take sa tao? Ano yung response nila yung
Yeah, actually no, at the first stage of the implementation of konsulta, kaya nahihirapan po kami na ipaunawa yun sa mga tao what is PhilHealth konsulta. But with the help po of our media partners, kayo po mga stakeholders of mga partners namin from the media, we were able to encourage those who are outside barangays or the far-flung areas that there is indeed a consulta benefit that can be availed of regardless of they have illnesses or wala ba or they are in good health. As long as they register, they can go to any accredited PhilHealth consulta provider and the first patient encounter will be immediately conducted.